Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove apps and allow notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, click Apps under the Allow Notifications. Then after that, under the Allow Notifications from, you will see 2 applications that you added on the list. And if you want to remove these 2 applications, just click the negative sign on the side of it. For example, Gcash. Just click the negative sign and FaceTime. And it's now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed applications and allow notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!